Good morning, dears. We have completed up to 7 yesterday. Look at question number 8. Here, you can see dividend as well as divisor. Both there are decimal numbers. So what to do here? It's a very simple thing. What I am telling you, you just follow it. Exercise 2E, question number 8. Now you can see it is given 81.8 divided by 0.04. Now dear, kindly listen it carefully. We had decimals at the dividend, no problem. We were dividing till now. Now the divisor is consisting decimal number. We have to remove decimals from the divisor place. If it is removed from dividend place, well and good. If not, no problem. What is our priority? What should be done with this 0.04 to remove decimal? We have 2 digit, so I'll be multiplying with 100. If divisor is multiplied with 100, dividend also will be multiplied with 100. Both the side we have to do the same thing. If I require only 10, so I will multiply 10 both the side. Now I have 2 digit after decimal, so it has to be multiplied with 100. So the decimal is removed. So what do we get if we multiply with 100? Here we get 8180 and here we get 4. Is it? Why? You see 81800 after 1 digit. So here 400 after 2 digits. So here 4. Is it? We are getting this, na? I'm rubbing this. Now it's a simple division. We'll just divide it. 48180. 4 2s are 8. 1 is coming down, not divisible 0. 8 is coming down. 4 4s are 16. 2 4 5s are 20. So this gives you is equal to 2045 answer. Or here also you can write answer is 2045. Is up to you. So always keep it in mind. We have to divide. We have to remove decimal from the divisor place. You look at number 3. It is given 1.44 divided by 1.6. Our priority should be here. We have to look here. So what should be done? 1.6 should be multiplied with 10 to remove decimal. So this also will be multiplied with 10. Is it? See, to make you clear, I have surrounded it with a bracket. Now it gives you 14.4 divided by 16. Is it? Now we'll divide 16, 14.4. 14 is not divisible 0. Then there was a decimal, so giving decimal here. Now 144, 16 9s are 144. Cancelled. So the answer will be 0.9. Clear? In this way, we have to solve question number 8. Look at one more I am explaining. Maybe question number 5. Number 5. It is given 186.168 divided by 2.4. So it should multiply with 2.4 into 10. Division sign. 186.168 also will be multiplied with 10. Always keep it in mind. What I am multiplying left with the divisor, the same thing has to be multiplied with the dividend. It's not here to remove decimal 10 and here to remove decimal 1000 will multiply. Don't. If this is multiplied with 10, this also will be multiplied with 10 only. So this gives you 1861.68 divided by 24. Now divide here 24, 1861.68. Is it? 2 digit is not divisible. 3 digit. How many times it is? 8 4s are 32. 8 2s are 16 and 3 19, not 8, 7 times. 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 14 and 2 16. 16 minus 8, 8, 1. Then 1 is coming down. Again 7 times. 168, 8 3, 11, 13. Then there is a point. So this point will come here. 6 will come down. Now 5 times. 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10 and 2, 12. So this gives you 16. Then 8 is coming down. 7 times 168. So this gives you 77.57. Clear? Question number 9. The cost of 1 pencil is given. You have to find the cost of 15 pencil. You can find. Number 8. The cost of 35 identical gift is this. Cost of 1. So this divided by 35 can do. Number 11. The length of a ribbon is 29.5 meter. It has to cut into 5 equal pieces. Find the length of each piece. So question number 9, 10 and 11 you write as homework. You have to finish up to 11. Now look at 12. An athlete can jog 5.15 kilometer in 1 hour. What distance will he be covered? What distance will be covered by her in one whole 3 by 4 hours? Distance covered in 1 hour? Just see. Question number 12. Distance covered in 1 hour is equal to 5.15 kilometer. Time duration is 1 whole 3 by 4 hours, or it gives you 7 by 4 hours. So total distance covered 5.15 into 7 by 4 kilometers. Now what I am going to do? I am going to multiply first this two. 7 5s are 35, 7 1s are 7 and 3 10, 7 5s are 35 and 1 36, decimal here, then divided by 4. Now see what I am going to do. I am going to divide it. 4 9s are 36, then there is a decimal, gave decimal 0 0, 4 1s are 4, okay, remainder 1, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 10. If you divide, you will get this. 9.0125 kilometer will be covered. 75 toys are sold at the rupees of 35.90 each. Find the total money collected by selling these toys. So very simple, just we have to multiply. Cost of one toy question number 13. Cost of one toy rupees 35.90. So cost of 75 toys is equal to rupees 35.90 into 75. It's a simple multiplication you have to do. You don't have to take tension for this decimal. Just multiply. 5 zeros are 0, 5 9s are 45, 5 5s are 25 and 4 29, 5 3s are 15 and 2 17, 7 zeros are 0, 7 9s are 63, 6 carry, 7 5s are 35 and 6 41, 7 3s are 21 and 4 25. Add it up. 0 5 12 9 6 2 1 2 1 2. This would be the cost, rupees 2692.5. Now question number 14. 6 foot was weight is 3 kg 504 gram. Find the weight of 1 football and weight of 15 footballs. So get the weight of 1 football, we have to divide, and get the weight of 15 footballs, we have to multiply. Weight of 6 footballs. Number 14. Weight of 6 footballs. .504 kg. So weight of 1 football, .504 divided by 6. 0, 6 5s are 30, 6 7s are 42, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 2, 6 4s are 24. 0.584 kg. So weight of 15 footballs. .584 into 15 kg. 15 4s are 60, 15 8s are 120 and 626. 12, 15 5s are 75 and 12, 87, 8.76 kg. So for today, leave it till here. Thank you.